Hey, my name is Nisha and welcome to my channel, Picks by Nisha. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a similar listing on eBay using your existing listings. So we're going to start here on eBay's main page. I'm going to make sure I'm signed in the upper left-hand corner. Just hover over my name and we're signed in, and then to start we'll click the Sell button in the upper right hand corner. This will take us to our active listings, and you'll notice here that we can search our active listings through a variety of different ways. Today we're just going to look for a similar type item for what I'm listing. So let me show you what we're going to list. So it's a very pretty artisan handcrafted dangle brooch. So to find a similar listing, I'm going to click in the enter value section right here and put in some of those keywords. So we'll add in brooch and dangle. To start the search, we'll click the button here, search. And this will pull out of my inventory any items that match with those keywords. Okay, so we'll scroll down and it looks like we have several different items. Several of these are vintage. So thinking about my store categories, one of the reasons you want to do sell similar is because it saves you time. So if I have to change the store category or the eBay category, then that's not going to save me time. So I really want to have a listing that's closer to what I'm working with. So I'm just going to take a look. Okay, so it is not vintage. So we're looking for a brooch that's not vintage. So I have this one right here. It says statement brooch with imitation pearl gold tone. So that looks great. We're going to use that one right here. On the left side you'll see edit and a chevron. Click on the chevron. Gives you a lot of different choices, and right there at the top is sell similar. So what happens is when you click this, it will make a copy of that listing. So we'll do that right now. And now we're in the complete your listing. Now what it does is it's copied everything, the photographs, the title, etc. Now I'm not going to use these photographs, so what I'll do is I'll just go through and delete them. And we'll add in our new photographs. Click open. Now I've formatted these already to a square, which is best for eBay and for Google. Okay, so everything looks good. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the title and add in or take out anything that doesn't apply to this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm taking out the size here at the beginning. I just recently learned that when you have punctuation in the listing title, that stops the search. So I am taking out any type of punctuation that you can use, so, except for if you're talking about a brand like J. Crew. Okay, so let's look at the title. It's definitely a statement brooch. It doesn't have imitation pearl, so let's just take that one out. Then we have a gold tone, meaning it's a gold color, not made from precious metals such as gold. The one I had listed is worn as a pendant also, but this one is not, so we'll take that out. Okay, great. So then we can add in other features for this piece. So it has leaf, and then it also has copper, metal, and artisan, and we have 80 characters. We're at 63. Handcrafted. Okay, great. So you'll notice below the title, eBay's given us some suggestions for item specifics. If all of these are applicable, we can click the Select All button. And they are, so that's what I'll do. It will select all of those, and then I can scroll down and then work on my custom SKU label. This is where I add in information about the SKU number, which I use. Each item that I list has its own SKU number, so this one is 9280. And then I add in the date. And then if I knew the location of where I'm going to store this, I would add in that right here on this custom label field. Okay, so it has the item category as brooches under fashion, and then under my store category is jewelry, brooches, and pins. Okay, that looks good. Now, unfortunately, under brand, it has it as artisan brand, which is incorrect. So let's click on that and select unbranded. And I'm just going through the additional item specifics, which we're not required to fill out. And I'm taking out anything that's not applicable. Okay, took out pearl. There's no pearls in this. Okay. All right, under condition description, you're just writing about the condition. So there is no significant wearing. It looks good. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the condition description, and I'll put that under the description as well. Sometimes people don't always find the condition description and they'll find the description, or vice versa. So I like to have it written in both places. All right, so we're looking at pricing and the format of how we're selling it. So on eBay, we can do buy it now or auction. Okay, so this is how you changed it from buy it now to auction. So we're just sticking with buy it now. And we're going to go with a different price. So we're doing $29.99. And then we're allowing for best offers, which is this section right here. If you don't want to have best offers, just toggle off the switch on the right side. But I have best offers on almost all of my items. So we'll add in a best offer auto accept. So if somebody comes in and asks if I accept the best offer of $19.99 on this, then it would automatically accept that offer. Okay, scroll down to shipping. I have free first class shipping on all my jewelry, and then it's 4 ounces, and that's the size of the package right there. Okay, great. Now we're going to list it, and then we'll get a confirmation window from eBay. Okay, so we now know that the listing is live, and that's how to create a self-similar from one of your own listings. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like, and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. All right, have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.